Let us discuss festivals in India. India is called the land of festivals. We celebrate a festival almost every day in India. We wear new clothes, exchange greetings, and eat special dishes on those days. We celebrate three types of festivals: national festivals, religious festivals, and harvest festivals. National festivals. We celebrate three national festivals: the Independence Day, the Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. Independence Day. We celebrate the Independence Day on 15th August. On this day in 1947, we got our independence from the British rule. The main function of the Independence Day takes place in Delhi. The Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag at the Red Fort. He or she also addresses the people at the Red Fort. We celebrate the Independence Day in schools and government offices throughout the country. Did you know? The national flag was hoisted for the first time on 15th August 1947 by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the Prime Minister, at the historic Red Fort in New Delhi. The Republic Day. We celebrate the Republic Day on 26 January. On this day in 1950, our country became a republic. Republic means that we adopted our own constitution. The main function of the Republic Day takes place at Rajpath in New Delhi. There is a grand parade from Vijay Chowk. Our armed forces, school children, and folk dancers take part in the parade. Jhankies from different states showing their achievements form a big attraction of the parade. The President of India takes the salute of the parade. Government buildings around the Rashtrapati Bhavan are illuminated with colorful lights in the evening. Gandhi Jayanti. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. It is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. He was a great leader. He led our freedom movement. The main function of Gandhi Jayanti takes place at Rajghat, the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi in New Delhi. The President, the Prime Minister, and others gather at Rajghat to pay their homage. Mahatma Gandhi is called the father of the nation. He is also lovingly called Bapu. Religious festivals. People celebrate religious festivals. Let us learn about some important religious festivals. Dashara. Dashara marks the victory of good over evil. Hindus celebrate it to honor Lord Rama's victory over Ravana. People celebrate Dashara for 10 days. During these days, people enact Ram Leela, the story of Lord Rama. On the 10th day, they burn the effigies of Ravana, Meghanada, and Kumbhakarna. In West Bengal, people celebrate Dashara as Durga Puja. People worship idols of goddess Durga. On the last day, the devotees move the idols in processions and immerse them in the holy waters of a river or the sea. Diwali. Diwali is called the festival of lights. It comes 20 days after Dashera. Diwali marks the return of Lord Rama to Ayodhya after 14 years in exile. On Diwali, people decorate their house with lights, clay lamps called diyas, and candles. Colorful rangoli is made at the entrance of houses. People worship goddess Lakshmi, Lord Ganesha in the evening. They exchange sweets and gifts. Children let off crackers. Businessmen celebrate Diwali as the New Year's Day. Eid. Eid or Eid ul Fitr is an important festival of the Muslims. It comes after the holy month of Ramzan. The Muslims keep fast during this month. On Eid, people wear new clothes and go to mosque or Eidgah to offer prayers. They embrace each other saying Eid Mubarak. Rich people give food, money and clothes to the poor. A special sweet dish sevaya is made on the Eid day. Christmas. Christians celebrate Christmas on 25th of December to mark the birthday of Jesus Christ. People decorate their houses with a Christmas tree. They gather around the tree and sing carols. They also go to church at midnight to offer prayers. Cakes and puddings are made on this day. Children believe that Santa Claus brings gifts at night. Guru Purab. Guru Purab is celebrated to mark the birthdays of the Sikh Gurus. On Guru Purab, Sikhs go to the Gurudwaras to offer prayers. There are processions of devotees. Langars in Gurudwaras make special Kara Prasad for people to eat. Harvest festivals. Farmers celebrate some harvest festivals when the crops are ready to harvest. Holi, Pongal, Onam, Baisakhi and Bihu are some important harvest festivals. Holi. Hindus celebrate Holi in the month of February or March. It marks the end of winter. Holi is called the festival of colors. People spray colored water and gulal on each other. They sing and dance for the beating of drums. Pongal. Pongal is the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. It falls in the month of January when the crop is ready for harvest. Pongal is a 3-day festival. People worship the sun god and the mother cow on those days. They prepare pongal from newly harvested rice and jaggery. Onam. Onam is the harvest festival of Kerala. It falls in the month of August or September. We can see decorated elephants in big processions. The famous snake boat races take place on Onam. Did you know? Baisakhi is an ancient harvest festival of North India in Sikhism. It is one of the most important holidays in the Sikh calendar. This festival remembers the establishment of the Khalsa by the 10th Sikh Guru, Guru Gobind Singh Ji. Baisakhi. Baisakhi is the harvest festival of Punjab. It falls in the month of April. People express their joy with the beat of dhol and drums. We can see the famous dance Bhangra by men and Gidda by women on this day. Bihu. Bihu is the harvest festival of Assam. Young boys and girls in colorful clothes perform the Bihu dance on this day. Quick sum up. The Independence Day, the Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti are our national festivals. Dussehra, Diwali, Eid, Christmas and Guru Purab are the religious festivals in our country. Holi, Pongal, Onam, Baisakhi and Bihu are Indian harvest festivals. Festivals bring unity among people of different religions and regions. Glossary. Idol. An image or representation of God used as an object of worship. Cracker. A loud and explosive firework. Mosque. A Muslim place of worship. Procession. A parade. Here's the mind map. Festivals. National festivals in which we have the Independence Day, the Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Religious festivals in which we have Dussehra, Diwali, Eid, Guru Purab and Christmas. Harvest festivals in which we have Holi, Pongal, Onam, Baisakhi and Bihu.